Morning everyone, I am Vishwagna from 6th grade. Today I am going to do natural color subject social. Take one bowl, add flour in that, add 1 tablespoon of salt. And add half tablespoon of sugar. Now stir it well. Now add water. Now take any container and pour the substance in that. Now I took green color which is from leaves. Now I am adding that into the substance. Now the green color is ready. I made few colors like that: green, brown, red and yellow. Now let's test it.
Good morning everyone, I am Shreyas from 6th D. Today I am making a natural colors. Items required are a bowl, a teaspoon, salt, flour, sugar, turmeric powder and a glass of water. First we need to take 4 spoons of flour. Now 1 spoon of salt and half spoon of sugar and water, and we have to mix it. We have to mix the solution properly. Now we need to take turmeric powder. We have to mix it properly. See, now the paint is ready. Now let's test it. See, now the yellow natural paint is ready. Thank you. Finally, I made these colors with kumkum powder, papaya pulps, turmeric powder and basella seeds.
We have to take one beetroot, cut it into small pieces, keep them in mixture, smash it into paste, keep the beetroot paste in bowl, flame it for few minutes, squeeze the paste, collect liquid in another bowl. Our natural pink color is ready. Hi friends, my name is Rishik from grade 6D. Today I am doing a natural color. Take a bowl and a spoon. Pour 4 tablespoons of flour. Take a glass of water. So pour 6 tablespoons of water. So mix it well. So after mixing, you'll get like this. And then pour it into 4 types of colors. And now mix it well. So now take a circle and cut it. Make it into four halves. And paint it with this.